The goal of a professional learning community is to promote ongoing professional development, foster a culture of shared learning, and improve overall educational outcomes. It emphasizes the importance of collaboration, reflection, and collective responsibility among educators to ensure the success of all students. In education, the term PLC program can have a different meaning depending on the specific context. Here are a couple of possible interpretations. Personalized Learning Plan, PLP. In some educational settings, a PLC program may refer to a personalized learning plan. This is an individualized educational strategy designed to meet the unique needs and interests of students. A PLC program in this sense involves developing a customized learning pathway for each student, which takes into account their strengths, weaknesses, learning styles, and goals. The plan outlines the specific objectives, resources, and instructional strategies to support the student's learning and growth. Professional Learning Community, PLC, program. As mentioned earlier, a PLC can also refer to a professional learning community. In this case, a PLC program focuses on establishing a collaborative network among educators within a school or district. The program aims to foster a culture of shared learning and continuous professional development among teachers. Educators engage in collaborative activities such as analyzing student data, sharing instructional strategies, conducting action research, and providing mutual support. The PLC program provides a structured framework for ongoing professional growth and improvement in teaching practices. It's important to note that the specific meaning of PLC program in education can vary depending on the context, educational institution, or organization using the term. Therefore, it's always best to refer to the specific context or institution to obtain a precise understanding of what a PLC program entails in a particular educational setting. Working with a PLC, Programmable Logic Controller, program involves several steps. Here is a general overview of the process. Understand the requirements. Start by understanding the requirements and objectives of the automation system or process you are working on. This includes identifying the inputs, outputs, and desired behavior of the system. Select a PLC and software. Choose an appropriate PLC model based on the system requirements. PLCs come from different manufacturers and have their own programming software. Select a PLC and programming software provided by the PLC manufacturer. Learn about its interface, functions, and capabilities. The software usually allows you to create, edit, and debug programs for the PLC.